Today we will be installing a new solution for the 1987 to 1996 Dodge Dakota, the DP-6508. Start the disassembly by taking off the bottom panel. Remove all 8 screws on the outer panel. Move the shifter down to remove the entire panel. Next, remove the 2 screws from the factory radio. Then, remove the factory radio. Remove the cigarette lighter and the screws for the factory climate control. Make a minor cut along the cigarette lighter bracket and shave off a little along the bottom edge of the cigarette lighter mount to create space for the factory radio to slide underneath. The climate relocation template will help create the hole for the climate control when it gets moved up into the dash. To do so, place a screw to hold the template in the spot where it's supposed to be. Mark it, then drill the hole in the specific area. Once that is done, on the left side, move the climate control upwards to its new location. This will create clearance for the aftermarket radio down below. After you've made all the necessary cuts and have placed the lighter and climate control in their new locations, make the proper connections before sliding in the aftermarket radio. Assemble the new set of included brackets to the aftermarket radio and install using the existing screws, making sure the brackets line up in their proper spots. Next, pop off the cap nuts and remove the rubber boot from the old factory panel and place the boot onto the new panel using the supplied 4 cap nuts. After installing the factory vents into the new panel, move the shifter into the down position and place the new panel into place using the existing hardware. Then, reassemble the dash in reverse order of disassembly to complete the installation. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterface.com for antenna adapters, audio-video, and steering wheel control interface options. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.